Hello guys. So if you're looking to create a Redbubble account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply open your browser and just simply open Redbubble website. Then click on sign up. Now I would presume you are going for artist, so click on artist. But if you want as a customer, you can just simply click on customer and do the same process. So in customer one, you have to just simply enter your email address, username, password, and then you're done. But I'm going to show you the artist one, so click on the artist one. Enter email address, shop name, then enter the shop name, enter a password. If you want special news or offers, you can check this box if you want to, but I'm not going to do it. So after that, just simply click on sign up. Now most important steps are done. So now what you have to do is just simply complete these steps over here, which is set up your shop and set up your payment methods. So firstly click on add a profile picture. Now over here just simply add a profile picture that you want. Then over here just simply add your profile image. So for doing that, click on choose file, then choose the file from your desktop. Just simply click on the file and hit open. Now click upload, wait for a few seconds, and the profile pic is set. Now again click on your account, go to account settings, scroll down and upload a cover image if you want to. Then add some detail about your profile like your name, last name, display name, and etc. So after that, scroll down, set up your notification over here and your copyright. And after that, if you want offset marketing, you can enable this option and your image setting. So complete all of the information over here. So as you can see, after filling up all the details over here, all you have to do is just simply click on save changes. Then after doing that, click on edit payment details. Now over here, you have to confirm your email. So click on resend confirmation, click on it. So for this tutorial, I'm using a temp mail. I'm going to just simply go and check that. Now as you can see, I have received the confirmation email. So click on it. Now all you have to do is just simply click on this particular link. The email has been confirmed, as you can see right over here. So again, go back to the payment details, scroll down, add your phone number according to your country. So after adding your phone number, click on send code, because it will send a verification code to your phone number. So wait for this verification code. After receiving the verification code, just simply hit submit. Now after that, the next thing that you have to do is just simply enter your address. Now as you can see, I've wrote down just for example anything. So after entering your entire address, scroll down and over here in get paid, set your payment methods. So for doing that, click on this drop down box over here, choose how you're going to get paid. So I'm going to choose US dollars, so click on it. Now over here you will have two options. Number first option is link your PayPal, or the second option is link your bank account. Now over here, very limited number of bank accounts are associated with Redbubble. So if your bank account is one of them, enter your routing number and the bank details and see whether your bank is linking or not. And if it's not linking, just simply use your PayPal method. So I'm going to use my PayPal method. So all you have to do is just simply click on verify my PayPal account. Then just simply click on connect with PayPal. Now just simply log in into your PayPal account. And after that, just simply click on agree and connect. And after that, you are pretty much done. So in the end, just simply click on save changes. And that's it. Now just simply click on Redbubble. Then all you have to do is just simply click over here, click on sell your art and click on add new work over here. Now over here you will be able to upload your artwork. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.